Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the prenatal period. We're going to discuss the hormonal and other changes in the maternal body during pregnancy. Okay, so the hormonal changes in the maternal body. So these are the hormones that are mainly involved. We have HCG, progesterone, estrogen, relaxin, oxytocin, prolactin, and the parathyroid hormone. And then the graph to the right just shows how the HCG, estrogen, and progesterone hormones correlate during pregnancy. So HCG is a key hormone during pregnancy. This is the hormone that stops the ovary production of maturing an egg. So this is what stops your period during pregnancy. It is believed to be the cause of morning sickness, and this is also the hormone that helps indicate a pregnancy through over-the-counter pregnancy tests. Progesterone is made by a cyst on the ovary called corpus luteum here. It is made by this cyst up until 10 weeks. After the 10 weeks, it is produced by the placenta. It does keep the uterus muscles relaxed, which helps the immune system tolerate foreign DNA, which is coming from the from the fetus. It does relax all smooth muscles, leading to lower than normal blood pressure. It does cause dizziness, heartburn, reflux, belching, nausea, vomiting, gas, and constipation, and also is what causes an increase in hair growth. Estrogen is also secreted by the corpus luteum until the placenta takes over. It's a key hormone in fetal development. The higher levels once the first trimester is met. It does cause spider veins, nausea, increased appetite, changes in the skin, and is also known to cause pregnancy glow. Relaxin is a hormone that loosens the ligaments that hold the pelvic bone together. It also relaxes the uterine, which prepares the body for the baby's passage. It relaxes arteries, so the increased blood volume doesn't cause high blood pressure for the mom, but it can cause aches, inflammation, and clumsiness, and during pregnancy, women can have up to 10 times the normal amount. Oxytocin is what stretches the cervix and stimulates the nipples to produce milk. It does trigger labor, and it is believed to be the cause of nesting and also the cause of baby lust. Prolactin, this is a milk-producing hormone. It prepares the breast tissue for lactation and milk release, and also during pregnancy, the levels can increase up to 10 to 20 times. Parathyroid hormone from the parathyroid gland helps maintain a high concentration of maternal blood calcium. Here are some other changes in the maternal body. So the growth of the uterus can displace abdominal organs like you see in these before and after images. It does require eating smaller meals, can cause heartburn, and can lead to increased urinary frequency. As the fetus grows, more oxygen is needed and more waste is excreted, causing maternal increases in blood volume, cardiac output, breathing rate, and urine production. To obtain adequate nutrition, food intake must be sufficient to supply needed vitamins. In case of inadequate diet, maternal body will suffer nutrient deficiencies before the fetus will. So here's a before and after again, but I'm going to show you a video in the next slide. So this is going to go through all of the trimesters. Up here it shows you the weeks. Here it shows you what it is that's happening, and you can see in the motion video here what's happening to the body. I also added the link down here. Birth, and then postpartum. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.